What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dior here, your favorite bougie princess, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing some polygel nails on myself, so if you are interested in this video, please be sure to stay tuned. Also, make sure that you hit that subscribe notification so that way you can join the Boujie gang. The polygel nail kit that I am using is by Sunset, if I'm correct, and I did purchase this off of Amazon. If you are interested in it, that will be linked down below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. As you can see, I'm showing you all of the items that came with this kit, along with some other items that I used to achieve this set. I did also use some press-on nails as tips, sort of as trial and error, as well as I did go ahead and go back and do an ombre, but unfortunately I did not record that part. Alright, and I did go ahead and apply the nails and just basically shape them, and now you can see me pushing my cuticles back. And then I went ahead and applied a base coat to my nails, and I went ahead and used press-on nails as tips. Due to the fact that the nail forms, I do feel like it is a little bit harder to build the nail how I would like. And right now I'm just going to go ahead and clean the brush with my dapping dish with some acetone inside of there. And the color that I am using is clear pink. As I said before, I did go ahead and switch it to ombre, and the other color that I did use was the rose pink. So those are the two colors I used to achieve these nails. And before I forget, there is a lamp that does come with the set. Unfortunately, I was not able to record myself curing the nails or setting them because the cord that comes with it is a little bit short, so I will have to figure that out for the next video. Now the polygel itself is super thick. It is not like regular gel nail polish. It reminds me almost of like the UV gel that they use inside of the nail salon. Also keep in mind that the more layers that you do, the sturdier that the nail will be, or the thicker it will be. I can't say how many layers I used on my set. However, I will say I just use the gel until it's opaque. So until I can't see like the nail tips underneath and everything is just one color, if that makes sense. And as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and blending this gel out over my nails. Also, I do suggest applying the product as close to your cuticles as possible, not on your cuticles. If you do get it on your cuticles, it will be extremely hard to get off. Now this product, it is kind of like acrylic, so you do have to apply it as neat as possible. If not, the nails can come out lumpy. However, we are going to go ahead and file them down later, so there's not really a need to worry about that. And I do happen to have a nail drill. It's kind of like a portable one that's battery operated, but I barely ever use it. It's not that serious to me. But if you do have one and you decide to use it, I'm sure you'll be completely fine. Also, be sure to comment down below if I should do another polygel video on how I achieved my ombre nails. And when I do these type of videos, I think I'm going to call it the Baddie of all trades series. Let me know what you guys think down below. And I'm just going in and applying some more gel and just blending everything out. I am so happy I got this set. It's going to save me so much money in the future, as well as it's a way to show myself some self-love. Also keep in mind that I will have the link to this set down below, so if you want to go check it out, you can do so. And before this video, I did go ahead and do my dominant hand first. Per the instructions, usually if you do purchase any nail kits, they do suggest that you do your dominant hand first. Another thing that I do, if I do happen to push out too much gel, I'll just take that product and apply it onto the other nail, as you guys can see as I did before in that clip. Now, there is a file that does happen to come with the kit, but I kind of beat it up already. It's a little bit used and abused, so I just purchased this one at my local beauty supply and it works wonderfully. But as you can see, I am just going ahead and filing down that remaining gel or that excess gel that is on there. Like I said before, it can get a little bit lumpy, but it's not really anything to worry about because you file it down. And I am having a birthday sale right now. I'm doing some bundle deals on some beauty tools. I have some lashes along with some homemade bath salts and homemade soaps. I will have my Poshmark shop linked down below, so you can go ahead and check that out. Also, I will have my email listed down below, so if you are interested, you can go ahead and get in contact with me. And finally, the last part. So I'm just going ahead and applying that top coat. I do usually like to apply 2 to 3 coats. And they say to use the lamp up to 30 seconds to 60 seconds, but I usually put it in there for like a minute and 30 seconds. So like 3 times. Alright, and after you apply the top coat, you're basically just about done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell notification so you'll know when I upload. Thanks for watching.